Nursery. Children, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 1 to 10. Yay! 1. 1 apple. 2. 1. 2. 2 ice cream. 3. 1 2 3. 3 banana. 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 puppies. 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 cats. 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 birds. 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 unicorns. 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 footballs. 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8